Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. The United States of America, all 50 states. We have many immigrants coming across the border, obviously seeking asylum. Over 7,000 people from China. Over 100,000 from Latin America. And thousands from Africa. Most immigrants don't make that trip. In fact, most come here with a visitor's visa and other types of visa. That's the B1, B2, or the student visa, the F visas. And then, while in the U.S., they decide to stay here. Anytime you come to the U.S. and you overstay your time by 6 months, if you leave the U.S., you're subject to a 3-year bar. If you overstay your time by 1 year and you leave, you're subject to a 10-year bar. So although the U.S. is saying to you, obviously, you shouldn't overstay your time in the U.S. Once you come and you overstay, they actually don't want you to leave, because who would leave if they are subject to a 3 or 10-year bar and obviously would never be able to get a visa to re-enter the U.S. if they left the U.S. There are many reasons why people want to stay in the U.S. We have people obviously seeking political asylum. Some women, obviously, throughout, the Caribbean, Africa, Latin America, are staying here because they are avoiding domestic violence. Women's rights and other rights is well protected in the U.S. Most people obviously seek employment. And they believe that even working, as we say here, off the books, unknown to immigration or unknown to the various, employment agencies and other monitoring agencies here, those people working off the books, as I said, there's a high demand for those workers also. Why? Because there's a huge labor shortage in the U.S. and because both the Democrats and Republicans cannot agree on comprehensive immigration reform, the laws vis-a-vis facilitating these businesses and other shortages, those laws have not changed. In fact, the last amnesty that they had in the United States of America was January 1st, 1982. And the last immigration law that was passed that was helpful to immigrants here, which was hopefully trying to solve the labor situation, was December 21st, 2000. So what should one do? Well, anyone who wants to immigrate to the United States, they should plan. You could either consult with an attorney, a law firm like ours, the law firm of Figueroa and Associates, before you come here to get the necessary advice that you need, or while in the U.S., you could call our office also. Many times, for whatever reasons, people trust their relatives, they trust, as we call them in the United States, notaries, people who didn't go to law school but practice immigration law illegally. And the advice that they get is obviously not always the best advice. As a member of the American Immigration Lawyers Association since 1998, that's 25 years membership to that organization, and practicing immigration law, whether it be deportation defenses, helping people get their political asylum, cancellation of removal for green card, non-green card holders, or petitions for business people, EB-5, E-2, other visas. Our law firm has the type of experience that obviously our clients deserve. So are you planning to come in to the U.S. and stay here? Do you want to work in the U.S.? Do you want to visit a relative in the U.S.? Do you have a business and you want to have a branch of your business in the United States of America? These are some of the issues that we could discuss. The number to call, the number to keep for the law firm of Figueroa and Associates is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Our website for the law firm of Figueroa and Associates is www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Welcome to our show.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.